Today we're going to Arabic spice roasted chicken, roasted sprouts, and potatoes. Let's get into it. First step, put the oven on convection roast for 420 Fahrenheit and let it preheat. Next step, cover the pan with parchment paper. Add the chicken to the pan once the parchment paper is set. Next up, add olive oil to the chicken on both sides. Rub it in. Next, we add Arabic spices to the chicken. Next, we add a little bit of salt to the chicken. Next, we add some peppercorns to the chicken. Next, cover with tin foil. Set it aside until the oven's done preheating. Next, cut the Brussels sprouts in half, and we're going to steam them first, then fry. Next step, peel and cut the potatoes for the oven. Cut up the potatoes for the oven. Next, add olive oil to the potatoes. Give it a good mix. Next, add some salt to potatoes, black pepper, give it a good mix. Cover with tin foil and put it in the oven. Time to put the chicken and the potatoes in the oven. Next, fill the pot with cold water for the Brussels sprouts to steam. Update an Arabic spice chicken. We'll put another 20 minutes and then we'll roast the top to make it nice and crisp. Another 15 minutes for the potatoes to be cooked. Want a little bit of a crisp and a char to it. We're going to increase the temperature in the oven, convection roast, for 430 Fahrenheit. Speed things up a bit. While the chicken and potatoes are still cooking in the oven, we're going to turn the burner on to medium heat and start steaming the Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are done steaming. Now we're going to fry them in a little bit of oil and salt and pepper. Use the same pot and drain the water into the sink. Add a little bit of olive oil. Turn the burner on to medium heat. And let the oil heat up. The Brussels sprouts to the pot. Next, add some black pepper. And add some kosher salt. Give it a good mix. The sprouts are cooked and the almonds over it goes to wait for the chicken and potatoes. Then remove the tinfoil from the potatoes and the chicken, put it back in the oven and let it brown up and crisp.